Okay guys, good morning. I will show you our balcony stateroom on deck 10. It's number 10188. That's how it looks like. We have a king size bed. They just cleaned our room. Today is our last day and that's how it looks like. We have a pull-out sofa as well where our kids sleep in, and it's pretty decent size. The bed is very comfortable and we have very big balcony, as you can see, because we saw yesterday the Wonder of the Seas and their balconies was with a tiny table. So we're really happy with the balcony size. We are in the ocean right now. This is the working area with a chair, and beautiful mirror that can be light up like this. Look, it looks good. And there is some cabinets, little shelves right here that you can place your belongings. So sorry for the mess, but we try to be organized. The refrigerator is here, but the thing of it is they don't stock refrigerator with nothing. There is no mini bars, which I was surprised, no any snacks, so it's very unusual, I guess, but that's what Royal Caribbean does. It's not like it's on MSC when they stock your mini refrigerator every day. What else? Yeah, the room is pretty decent size. There's a big wardrobe in there. I'm not gonna open it up because it's messy. There are some shelves right here, and it's very comfortable having those little hooks right here where we can place our cards. So thermostat where you can control the hot cold temperature, which is really nice. Pretty decent mirror, as you can see. And bathroom is also very nice size. I like it. It's not like you're gonna hurt your shoulders. So the shower opens up like this and this way, and they have a regular shower but only one shampoo or conditioner for everything, body wash. So but it's comfortable, the pressure is good, so I'm happy with that. And another thing that I'm happy about is that they have also these cabinets right here for women's makeup and stuff. So very handy. And big mirror, it's very bright, plenty of towels. We are family of 4. So that's how it looked like, guys. I hope you enjoyed my channel, and if you have any questions for me, I will be more than happy to help you book your next vacation. And we love Royal Caribbean. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do the live video as well about our experience first time with Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas. So another thing is that you don't have to put your card anywhere to turn the switch. So this is the master switch that turns off and on all the lights in the room. The downside that I don't like personally, there is no plugs for charging your phone anywhere in here, but they place it this way at the table. So, and that's what you have. Yeah, so then another thing is, I don't understand what is this for. I mean, it looks very outdated system. The clock is not right. It shows the wrong time. But, on the TV, you can watch some cartoons. Movies is on demand, so you have to pay for that. And what else? But yeah, they have a plenty of storage behind the, under the bed, where we put our luggage in there, as you can see. So this is really good because it's not enough space in the wardrobe for luggage. And yeah, that's the room. This is really cute, nice lamps. Let's light up. And it's very quiet. The ship is really stable. You know, we have some rough weather right now, but they have very good stabilization, and they have also a safety lock for the child because we travel with 4-year-olds, so this is good. And yeah, in general, we're very satisfied with our room.